Become an influencer for offering a revolutionary technology called the microstrand technology for making your hair fuller, making clients and individuals' hair fuller. But the only method and technology in the world that feeds hair in between an individual's hair, using their hair and keeping their own hair safe and growing. If you want to become an influencer, or you're already an influencer and you have influencer experience, then you could become an influencer to help so many people. There's millions of people that suffer from hair loss, millions. And the problem right now, the only option they have is getting a hairpiece, a hair topper, a wig, an extension. Guess what? All of those techniques have one thing in common. They all make you lose more hair, which is opposite of what anybody wants. But now there's a very advanced technology, a revolutionary technology, the microstrand technology. And just to explain it, microstrand invention. Upon contact of the skin or the scalp, it disappears. One human hair at a time is fed onto this, that then becomes this, one of many examples. This is only one of many. When these are custom made and the client blends them in between their own hair, or their hairdresser blends it in between their own hair, it will disappear. You'll be able to run your fingers right down to your scalp and feel your scalp as if nothing is there. It's a remarkable advanced technology that millions of people need to know about, okay? And it's becoming more and more known. So if you want to become an influencer, or you're already an influencer and you want to be an influencer for this technology, depending on your level of experience in becoming an influencer, you can get this technology for yourself free. All right. Now, it could be 50% off if you don't have that much experience, but if you have a decent following, we will make this technology make your hair fuller for absolutely free if you join us and you become an influencer. And it'll be very helpful to millions of people. There's so many people that need this technology. If you want to become an influencer for this technology, you can text me directly. My text number is below. All right, just text me below and we'll talk about your qualifications for you to become an influencer for this advanced technology.